If you are a senior living alone and you have started accepting that the mental fog, the forgetfulness, and the slow thinking are simply part of getting older, this video was made specifically for that moment of acceptance. Because that acceptance may be the most expensive thing your brain has ever paid for. Here is what most people are never told. After 60, the brain loses approximately 5% of its volume every single decade. That shrinkage drives the forgetfulness, the word retrieval difficulty, the mental slowness that so many seniors dismiss as inevitable aging. But what neuroscience has confirmed in the last 10 years is this. Specific nutrients consumed at breakfast directly slow that shrinkage process. Not supplements, not medication. Breakfast foods. Ordinary, affordable, effortless breakfast foods that most seniors living alone have never been told to connect to their brain health. Today, I'm going to share 5 easy brain-boosting breakfast foods built specifically for seniors living alone. No complicated preparation. No long grocery lists. No standing in the kitchen longer than 5 minutes. Every single food on this list was chosen based on one criteria: how the aging brain after 60 absorbs and responds to specific nutrients differently than it did at 40. Most brain health content gives you generic superfood lists designed for everyone. This is different. This is designed for your brain. At your age, in your kitchen, on the mornings when even thinking clearly feels like effort, your brain is not failing you. It has just been waiting for the right fuel. Food number 1, blueberries. Pour a handful into a bowl. Add them to whatever you're already eating: yogurt, oats, plain crackers. Or eat them directly from the container standing at the refrigerator. No preparation, no cutting, no cooking. 30 seconds from the refrigerator to your mouth. One handful of blueberries delivers some of the highest concentrations of anthocyanins found in any food available at any grocery store. And here is what most people have never been told about anthocyanins specifically. They are one of the very few compounds in the human diet that can cross the blood-brain barrier, the protective membrane surrounding your brain that blocks most substances from entering. Once inside, anthocyanins directly reduce neuroinflammation, the hidden biological process driving memory decline, cognitive fog, and processing slowness in adults over 60, at the cellular level where it actually originates. If you have been losing words mid-sentence lately, reaching for a name or a thought that used to come instantly and finding nothing there, neuroinflammation is one of the most consistently identified drivers of that experience in adults over 60. And blueberries address it directly in a way that most supplements sold for memory support cannot replicate. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that adults over 60 who consumed blueberries daily showed measurably improved memory performance and significantly reduced cognitive decline markers within just 12 weeks. No fresh blueberries available? Frozen blueberries deliver identical anthocyanin content, often higher than fresh because they are frozen at peak ripeness. No yogurt to add them to? A small bowl, eaten plain, works perfectly. Some mornings the simplest choice is also the most powerful one. This is that choice. Food number 2, walnuts. Place a small handful, 7 to 8 walnut halves, into a bowl beside whatever you're already eating this morning. No preparation, no cooking, no cleanup beyond putting the bag back in the cupboard. That is the entire effort this food asks of you. 7 walnut halves deliver a meaningful dose of ALA omega, 3 fatty acids alongside elagitannins, plant compounds that convert inside your gut into urolithins, molecules that directly stimulate the production of new brain cells in the hippocampus, the brain's primary memory center. And here is the part most people have never heard. Walnuts are the only nut that contains a nutritionally significant amount of ALA omega 3. Every other nut delivers healthy fats. Only walnuts deliver the specific fat your brain uses to build and repair its own cell membranes after 60. If your thinking has been feeling slower than it used to, if processing information, following conversations, or making decisions takes noticeably more effort than it once did, your brain cell membranes may simply be lacking the specific fat they need to conduct signals efficiently. Walnuts address that deficit directly at breakfast before your day has even begun. If this channel has been giving you breakfast information built specifically around your brain and your reality as a senior living alone, hit the like button right now. Because most brain health content ignores the practical reality of eating well alone after 60. This channel does not. No walnuts at home. Walnut pieces work identically to halves, often cheaper and easier to find. Add them to blueberries from food number 1, and you have created one of the most brain-protective breakfast combinations available to any senior anywhere. Small handful. Every morning, your brain will notice before you do. Food number 3, eggs. Soft-boil 2 eggs the night before and store them in the refrigerator. In the morning, peel and eat. No pan. No standing at a stove. No decisions before your first cup of tea. Or scramble 2 eggs in a small pan over low heat for 4 minutes if the morning allows. Either way, this is the most complete brain-protective breakfast protein available to any senior living alone at any budget. 2 eggs deliver 250 milligrams of choline. And here is what most seniors have never been told about choline specifically. Choline is the direct precursor to acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter your brain uses for memory formation, learning, and conscious attention. Every time you recall a name, follow a conversation, or remember where you placed something, acetylcholine is the chemical making that possible. After 60, acetylcholine production naturally declines. And studies show that up to 90% of adults over 60 consume less choline daily than their brain actually requires to maintain that production at a functional level. If you have been forgetting appointments, losing track of conversations, or walking into rooms and standing there unable to remember why, your brain's acetylcholine supply may be running consistently below what it needs. 2 eggs every morning begins addressing that deficit before 8 a.m. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher choline intake in adults over 60 was directly associated with significantly better memory performance and measurably slower cognitive decline over a 5-year follow-up period. Pre-boil a batch of 6 eggs on Sunday evening. Your brain-protective breakfast is ready for 6 mornings without a single additional decision. 2 eggs every morning. That's simple. Food number 4. Oats with flaxseed. The night before, pour half a cup of rolled oats into a jar or bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Pour enough milk to cover everything. Stir once. Cover and refrigerate. Tomorrow morning your breakfast is already waiting. No cooking. No standing. No decisions. Open the refrigerator and eat. Half a cup of oats combined with 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed delivers soluble fiber and lignins that feed something most seniors have never connected to their brain, the gut microbiome. And here is the hidden insight that changes everything. Approximately 90% of your body's serotonin, the neurotransmitter most directly responsible for mood stability, emotional resilience, and the feeling of quiet contentment, is produced not in your brain but in your gut. The gut microbiome is the production facility, and soluble fiber from oats combined with the lignins in flaxseed are among the most effective dietary inputs for maintaining that production pathway after 60. If you have been experiencing persistent low mood, emotional flatness, or that quiet sadness that settles in without an obvious reason, especially living alone, your gut-brain serotonin pathway may be running significantly below its optimal production level. This breakfast directly nourishes that pathway every single morning before your day begins. If you want more breakfast ideas built specifically around the brain health and emotional well-being of seniors living alone, subscribe right now. Because next week I will be covering the 5 worst breakfast habits that silently accelerate cognitive decline in seniors over 60. You're likely doing at least one of them every single morning. No ground flaxseed. Chia seeds stirred through deliver a nearly identical nutritional profile. No dairy milk. Any plant milk works perfectly. 1 jar. Prepared tonight. Your brain and your mood, both supported before breakfast is even finished. Food number 5. Avocado. Slice a ripe avocado in half. Scoop 1/2 onto a piece of toast or directly into a bowl. A pinch of salt. A small drizzle of olive oil if you have it. That is your brain-boosting breakfast. No cooking. No pan. No preparation beyond a knife and a spoon. Ready in 90 seconds. 1/2 of an avocado delivers lutein, folate, and monounsaturated fats. And here's what most seniors have never been told about lutein specifically. Lutein is a carotenoid that does something almost no other dietary compound does after 60. It concentrates selectively inside brain tissue, particularly in the regions responsible for processing speed and fluid intelligence. Not in fat tissue, not in muscle, specifically in brain tissue. And research published in the journal Nutrients found that adults over 60 with higher brain lutein concentrations performed measurably faster on cognitive processing tasks and demonstrated significantly better fluid intelligence scores than those with lower lutein levels. If your thinking has been feeling slower lately, if it takes longer to process what someone said, to respond in conversation, or to work through a simple decision, your brain lutein concentration is one of the most overlooked contributors to that experience. An avocado is one of the most bioavailable dietary sources of lutein available at any grocery store. Folate in avocado directly reduces homocysteine, an amino acid that at elevated levels is independently linked to accelerated brain shrinkage and increased dementia risk in adults over 60. 1/2 of an avocado addresses both mechanisms simultaneously before your morning has even properly begun. No ripe avocado today. A thin spread of avocado from a squeezable tube delivers comparable nutrition. No toast. Eaten directly from a skin with a spoon works perfectly. Your brain has been waiting for this one specifically. 5 foods. 0 complicated preparation. Every single one chosen specifically for how the aging brain absorbs and responds to nutrients after 60. Not general health advice repackaged for seniors, but real targeted brain nutrition built around your actual morning reality. Let me bring everything together quickly. Blueberries, a handful every morning. Anthocyanins crossing the blood-brain barrier and directly reducing the neuroinflammation, driving memory decline at the cellular level where it originates. Walnuts, 7 to 8 halves beside whatever you are already eating. The only nut delivering ALA omega-3 and urolithins that stimulate new brain cell production in the hippocampus every single morning. Eggs, 2 eggs, any style, pre-boiled the night before if mornings are difficult. Choline directly rebuilding the acetylcholine supply your memory, attention, and conscious thinking depend on every single day. Oats with flaxseed, prepared tonight, ready tomorrow morning. Soluble fiber and lignans nourishing the gut-brain serotonin pathway that determines your mood, emotional resilience, and quiet sense of well-being after 60. Avocado, 1/2, 90 seconds, no cooking. Lutein concentrating inside your brain tissue to restore processing speed and fluid intelligence. Folate reducing the homocysteine, quietly accelerating brain shrinkage in the background. You do not need to add all 5 tomorrow. Pick one, the one that felt most achievable. Add it to breakfast this week and notice how different your mornings begin to feel. That is where every meaningful change begins. One small decision repeated consistently. Your brain is not finished growing. It is not beyond improvement. And it is not dependent on expensive supplements or complicated protocols to respond. It just needs the right food at the right time of day. Simple nourishment, consistent mornings, a brain that finally has what it needs. Which of these 5 foods are you adding to your breakfast first? Drop it in the comments right now. I read every single one, and your answer genuinely helps other seniors living alone find the motivation to start protecting their brain health today. If this video gave you something valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe so you do not miss next week, where I will be covering the 5 worst breakfast habits silently accelerating cognitive decline in seniors over 60. You are very likely doing at least one of them every single morning without realizing it. Your brain has been waiting for this. Now give it what it needs.